नमस्कार. महात्मा गांधी विद्यामंदिर संचलित नूतन त्र्यंबक विद्यालय त्र्यंबकेश्वरच्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना मी श्री देवरेडी बी उपशिक्षक गणित. काल आपण जे लेक्चर बघितलं त्याच्यामध्ये 3 गुणधर्म शिकलो सिमिलॅरिटीमध्ये. ओके, आय कॅन स्टार्ट नाउ. Here first property is the ratio of the areas of two triangle is equals to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Properties of areas of two triangles, that is first property, the ratio of area of any two triangle is equals to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Okay, that is the ratio of areas of two triangle equals to b1 into h1 upon b2 into h2, where b1 is base of first triangle, h1 is height of first triangle, b2 is height of second triangle, h2 is height of second triangle. Now second property for equal height, two triangles having equal height. What is that property? See here, the ratio of the areas of any two triangle with equal heights is equals to the ratio of their corresponding bases. That is the ratio of areas of two triangle with equal heights, h1 equals to h2, is equals to the ratio of their corresponding bases. That is a1 upon a2 equals to h1 upon h2 if b1 equals to b2. And third property, the ratio of areas of two triangle with equal bases, that is b1 equals to b2, is equals to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Then if bases are equal, then the areas of two triangle is equals to the ratio of their corresponding heights, a1 upon a2 equals to h1 upon h2 if b1 equals to b2. Now these three in activity, these three example you can solve at home. Okay, I explain this in last chapter. I give all illustration in last lecture, so you can draw this first activity. Okay, now we go to first solve example. Now here is example. What is given? Triangle ABC and triangle DBC. Okay, ABC and DBC. What is given here? AE equals to 4. What's AE but? AE is height of first triangle. Height of first triangle. AE is height of first triangle. Okay, height of first triangle, that is ABC, is how much given? 4. And height of second triangle DBF is DF perpendicular is given 6. Then what is common here? In ABC there is BC, DBC there is BC, that is BC base is common. So we can use here the property of common bases. Two triangles having the common base. Okay, the areas of any two triangle having the equal base is equals to the ratio of their corresponding heights, that is AE upon DF. So write what is given. AE perpendicular to BC, that is AE height, BC is base. DF is perpendicular to BC, that is DF is height, BC is base. Okay, now what we want to find? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC, that is the ratio of given two triangles. How we find it? By the property area triangle ABC upon area triangle DBC equals to AE upon DF. Why? Because bases are equal, hence area proportional to height. Therefore area triangle ABC upon area triangle DBC is equal to AE equals to 4, DF equals to 6. 4 and 6 in the table of 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. That's the answer is 2:2. 3. Okay, write down this sum. Now here is second solve example. In triangle ABC, point D on side BC. Okay, D on side BC, DC equals to 6, DC is 6, BC equals to 15. Okay, then area triangle ABD as to area triangle ABC you want to find. Okay, now BD is not given, na? Okay, now second, area triangle ABD as to area triangle ADC. DC is given. Now we want to find BD, because what's here from observation? All triangle ABC, okay, main triangle ABC, this ABD, this ADC having common height with common vertex A. Okay, common height with common vertex A. Okay, that is AP is height of both three triangles, that is triangle ABC, triangle ABD, triangle ADC, having the same height with common vertex A. Okay, so the areas of these two triangle AB, the ratio of areas of this triangle ABD upon ABC equals to, if height is equal, then area, the ratio of areas is equals to the ratio of corresponding bases. What is the base of ABD? BD. ABC, BC. But BD is not given there. BC is given and DC is given. A dash, B dash, D dash, C. B dash, D dash, C. That is BDC are collinear. Therefore, BD plus DC is equal to BC. Therefore, BD equals to, how we got BD? BD equals to this BC minus DC. That is 15 total minus 6. We got BD is 9. BD is 9. Then simple one. We got base of all three triangles. Therefore, first area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC equals to the ratio of their corresponding bases. ABD's base is BD, ABC's base is BC. That is BD upon BC, because given reason heights equal, hence area proportional to bases. What is BD? We got 15 minus 6, that is 9, upon BC's total is 15. 9 and 15 are in table of 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Therefore, answer is 3:5. Second, in same example, second part, we want to find area triangle ABD upon area triangle ADC. ABD is this one triangle left side and ADC is right side. Both triangle having the common height with common vertex A. AP is height. Therefore, height is equal, hence area proportional to bases. Base of ABD is BD, ADC is DC, that is 9 upon 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, area is 3:2. That is, first answer is 3:5, second one is 3:2. You got answer, write down. Okay, स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊनही तुम्ही ते एक्झाम्पल राईट डाऊन करू शकता. ओके ओके also by pause mode you can write that sums. Okay, now fourth sum, third sum, what is given here? Here is a quadrilateral ABCD is given and that one is a parallelogram. Okay, what is question? Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. P is any point on side BC. P is any point on side BC. Find two pairs of triangle with equal areas. Okay, you want to find any two triangle in the quadrilateral having the equal area. Now see here what is given. ABCD is a parallelogram. That's why the distance between AD and BC is same everywhere. Okay, parallelogram, that is height is equal. They are parallel, AD parallel to BC. Their perpendicular distance is same. That is given here. Okay, so distance into parallel lines, the distance between the lines is same. Okay, they are parallel to each other. Now AD parallel to BC and as well as AB parallel to DC. Now consider triangle ABC, this one, and triangle BDC, ABC and BDC. Okay, base BC is common. Now see here which triangle? ABC, this one. Okay, and BDC, this one. In ABC and BDC, BC is same. Okay, base is same, and also the distance between these two triangle, that is height of these two triangle, is same because they are situated into parallel lines, AD and BC. That's why their height is same as well as base is same. Both triangle are drawn into parallel lines, hence the distance between two parallel lines is the height of both triangles. In triangle ABC and BDC, common base is BC. Height are equal. When base is common and height is equal, then the area is also equal. Therefore, area triangle ABC equals to area triangle BDC. Okay. Now similarly ABC and ABD. Okay, common base, AB is common base and height is equal. Therefore area triangle ABC equals to area triangle ABD. I repeat it. Now what is given here? Triangle ABC. Okay, this is given by these red lines. Okay, and triangle BDC. Now BC is common for both triangle, green and red. Okay, that is base is same and height is this yellow one is equal. Therefore both the triangles are drawn in two parallel lines, hence the distance between two parallel lines is height of both triangle. Okay, that is the same. In triangle ABC and triangle BDC, common base BC and height are equal. Okay, hence area of triangle ABC and area of triangle BDC is equal. Okay, write down this one again by pause mode. Now last sum, example number 4. Question: in figure 1.12, triangle ABC is given. Point D is on side AC. AC is 16. Total AC is 16. DC is 9. BP perpendicular to AC. Now again, here I rotate this triangle. Okay, 1.16 figure. Now like this. Okay, okay, now see here. Okay, now this BP is perpendicular to AC, that is AC is base when we draw the perpendicular from B to AC. Therefore AC is base, BP is height of triangle ABC, as well as triangle ABD, as well as triangle BCP. Okay, now that is these three triangles having the common height BP with common vertex B. Okay, now we want to find area triangle ABD. Where is ABD? This ABD upon ABC, okay, that is common height is equals to the ratio of their common bases. Now BDC, this BDC and ABC, second one. Third one ABD and BDC, left and right. Okay, now both all triangles having the common height BP. Therefore, when the height is same, equal, the ratio of areas is corresponding bases is equals to ratio of corresponding bases. Now what is given? AC is 16, AC is 16, DC is 9. Then what is AD? A dash D dash C, that is ADC are collinear, therefore AD plus DC equals to AC. Then this AC is 16, 16 minus this DC 9, 16 minus 9, that is AD is 7. Okay, AD is 7. Therefore, say here AD given 16 minus 9 is 7. Area triangle ABD upon area triangle ABC is equal to base of ABD is AD and base of ABC is AC. Therefore, AD upon AC, that is 7 upon 16. BDC upon given, what is the result? Triangle having equal heights. All three, for three ratios, reason is same, triangle having equal ratio. Then BDC upon ABC. BDC is this lower triangle, BDC upon ABC equals to again DC upon AC. Base of this triangle DC and base of total triangle, that is AC, that is 9 upon 16. Then last one, area of triangle ABD upon BDC. ABD is the upper one, base is AD and BDC is the lower one, that is DC. BD upon DC, AD upon DC, that is 7 upon 9. Okay, now these four sums you can solve it. You solve in your notebook this four sum. And now what is remember? You remember these three properties. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equals to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. A1 upon A2 equals to B1 into H1 upon H1 into H2. First property, ratio of areas of true triangle is equals to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Second one, areas of triangle with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. If height is equal, then the area of that given triangle equals to ratio of their corresponding bases. And if bases are equal bases, then the areas of triangle with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Okay, now in next lecture we introduce here practice set 1.1. okay, now you have the homework, write this four sum and these three properties. Okay, by pause mode as well as. Okay, good day.